When you don't know how to navigate or what to wear, how to do it, pagpunta mo sa isang event, pero parang tinitignan mo muna, baka yun yung tama. So ang confidence mo nakarely sa baka yun ang tama. Hindi doon sa intelligence or sa knowledge natin. That's why your learning today and tomorrow will help you rise. And I created also a framework for you.
Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Your looks, your posture, your nonverbal cues will make them allow you to enter the room. Yung itsura mo daw, yung dating mo, yung posture mo, na sige, papasukin mo yan, mukhang capable. But it is your etiquette that will make them allow you to stay. So I need you to see yourself bigger, and hindi bigger in bigger and bigger. Why? Kahit ano ituturo ko ngayon, if you see yourself this small, hindi siya magpe-penetrate. Okay? See yourself bigger than who you are now. So, this is how we will make the mode and address what you have written there. O, tingin mo na ulit kayo sa mga sinulat niyo daw. Okay? Do you know na yes, this 2 days training can help you become that leader that you have written. We will understand your branding and not just understand, be proud of it. Be confident with that. Okay? Leadership presence begins with what? Clarity of who you are. When leaders know who they are, what they stand for, walang confusion, walang kinopya, how they represent their institution, their presence naturally inspires credibility and trust. Performance is not equal worth. People is not equal worth. Popularity is not. Isa lang ang nag-determine ng worth mo. You need to make a choice to bloom where you are planted. Hindi mo siya lagi isipin na, okay na lang. Hinihintay ko lang naman kasi stepping stone ko lang to. Mali yun eh. Pero kung sakaling nandun ka, at least ngayon, binibigyan kita ng opportunity magising na we need you, just bloom where you are planted. You have power, but only in areas of your control. So you don't have power over your client's decision. You don't have power over somebody else's decision. You don't have power to make that person come on time. But you can model coming on time. Tama? You don't have power to change, let's say, a relative or a best friend. But you can model the importance of choices. Diba? Making it right. So when you decide to just use your energy within your area of control, then maglalesen yung stress mo. But the best leaders are the most consistent. Consistent. Of course, for good. Kasi meron din consistent na hard-headed. Consistent. The good ones, the good side. Why? Leadership, they only gain trust. They gain, following and trust when they are predictable. And being consistent helps you be predictable. Hindi yung pag Monday, okay yan. Ako, Tuesday, you choose your path. Pag iwasan mo yan, di ba? Wednesday, ano yan? Paano, unpredictable ka. So, ang hirap mag-trust sa isang taong unpredictable. I'm not saying na predictable naman is dangerous kasi pwede kang abangan or not. I mean the good way. They understand how you decide. They understand your values. You communicate your brand. You communicate your tendencies as well. And then they see your consistency. And how will you be consistent? Andyan. Core values, ano pa. Lahat yan. Understanding your identity. So even if you're the wisest but you're not consistent, still, we don't have that self-leadership. And you know that self-leadership will not happen if you don't have self-awareness. So self-awareness leads to self-leadership. Self-leadership leads to what? Self-mastery. Investment. You will be surprised how every day You are just paying rather than investing when it comes to your image. Let me repeat that. Most of the time, until you really make a decision to have that presence, regardless if you have training, if you have meeting, if you're working, but if your mindset is I am investing for a future collaboration, I am investing for relational rather than transactional, I am investing for my legacy, then you will be surprised it's suddenly shifting your procrastination, your moment-to-moment laziness. Sometimes lazy tayo, diba? Ang goal mo na is nag-invest ka not just for your future, for your opportunities, but for someone else to be inspired. In reality, well, at least nanggaling na sa atin, no? Yun kasi yung gesture, message ng pointing. So imagine if you're pointing during your report, that's what you're saying. So pag may disconnect ang words sa gesture, remember, you can take note of this, alam ko na sa playbook, authority decreases. When the words, which is ilang percent, kung naalala niyo kahapon, ilang percent, so pag nag-influence tayo, 7%. When your words are not synchronized or congruent with your nonverbal cues, authority decreases. What do we do? Practice recalling while looking. What's the energy level? Yung good posture communicates an good energy level. When you're tired, still have that posture, both while sitting and standing. So what do we avoid sa sitting? Leaning back. Guide when it comes to etiquette. If to think yung kaninang dining pa lang, ang dami na, no? So, just in case you miss out how to do it, ano yung guidelines, parang katulad lang kanina nung nonverbal cues. Ang daming lessons sa nonverbal cues, di ba? Pero ano lang yung tatlo na top 3 na pina-master ko sa inyo sa nonverbal cues? Let's review. Ano yung top 3 na kailangan maalala natin sa body language? Always show hands and open body language. Second, what's the right way? Okay. And last, good posture, whether sitting or standing. We still need to be ethical. Okay? Kumbaga, the best measure of your ethics, no, is to still be to still be ethical, even if the person in front of you is not. Your etiquette is dependent on who you are. So kaya pala hindi ka pumapatol, kaya pala nagrerespeto ka is because of your identity and it's not because of how you are being treated.
Hi, I'm Debbie from Manila Water. What I love most about Miss Tony is that she provided us this type of training, leadership experience, which reminded us that being a leader is not only about everything about performance. It talks about personal appearance on how we present ourselves, which most of our leaders nowadays neglect because they only focus on their personal performance.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. King Versola. What I love most about Tony's talk is that after the talk, it seems that I'm entering into a new era of my leadership with clarity, with purpose, and more dedication and commitment. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Denise Busto. I'm from Manila Water Company. What I love most about Miss Tony's talk is that it is very practical and helpful. I became more aware of how I present myself as a leader and as an employee. Thank you so much for the wonderful insights that you've shared to us.
Hi, I'm Aaron Grosby. I'm from Manila Water IT Group. So what I love most about Miss Tony Talk is the tips and tricks and all the items na shinare niya sa amin about fashion, and then yung simple items na yun can translate into being a great leader. So that's it.
Hi, I'm Perds Del Castillo from Manila Water Company. What I love most about Miss Tony's talk is about the practicality and the use of a daily personal leadership which we can use every day. That is very important as a leader. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ruby Pascua from Manila Water. What I love most about Miss Tony's talk is that it unleashed my inner confidence and also the application of all the learnings that I gained here is not only at work but also in my personal and daily life.